Also not aware what is it exactly, but from what counsel is saying, it would appear these are the notes that he made in his own hand and not his statement.
I see.
I suppose if it were his statement,
No, that's no
counsel will
problem.
have laid the basis for the statement. But even with those notes, no basis has been laid. We just hear now that he's testifying from the from the notes. We are not even aware of that fact, my lord.
Okay, fine.
My Lord, we never said that Mr. Zungu is testifying from. We never said he's testifying from. It's only the defense that is saying, Mr. Zungu, we realize that you have got some papers in your possession. What are
fine.
they for?
No, fine, let's proceed.
And then it's clarifying. Mr. Zungu, let's try the best that we can, or can you please try the best that we can to refrain, because you have already heard the tone, to refrain from looking at those statements. Do you understand? From those notes, do you understand?
Asizame-ke baba ukuthi-ke nje njengoba uthola ubufakazi bakho ungabheki kuloko okubhalile laphayana uhlukane nje naloko okubhalile laphayana uyikhulumele wena kodwa ungabheki lapho ngoba-ke manje bekunenkulumo la enkantolo phakathi komshushisi umehluleli kanye nommeli futhi ngokuthi-ke umthetho uthini-ke uma umuntu ethula ubufakazi abese eceleni emane ebuka-ke lokhu akubhalile phansi ngoba-ke manje kuyahlukaniswa phakathi kwesitatimende osinikeze amaphoyisa nento wena oyibhalele phansi uma ngabe uthula ubufakazi umane-ke ubheka noma ubuka-ke kuloko okubhalile ummeli useyacela-ke manje ukuthi yikhulumele nje wena kodwa-ke ungawesa amehlo wakho lapha.
If you can, but you can also request, because that is for your own memory in respect of this case. There's nothing wrong with that. If you can request to refresh memory from your very own notes.
Uma kuwukuthi-ke uyakwazi futhi usengakwenza-ke nokuthi-ke wenza isicelo-ke enkantolo-ke ngoba-ke yinto oyibhalele wena leyo cela inkantolo ukuthi ngiyacela nkosi enkantolo bengicela nje ukuthi ngiyikhumbuze la kuloko engikubhalile la.
Do you follow?
Kezakala baba.
Sengiyacela ngoba bengenzela ukuthi ngikhumbuze kusinte futhi sengigulile phela ngisamfani nabo ngimncane ngisheshe.
It is my request then, my lord, that I'll be allowed to refresh my memory because I'm no longer young. It's unlike when I was young back then when I was quicker.
Thank you. Mr. Zungu, let us do it this way. That information that you said are your notes, is it made in your own handwriting?
Logo okula la maphepha amabili ngobonayo la eduze baba. Ukubhale ngesandla sakho. Yes.
That information that is contained in that which we are saying are your notes, where did you get that information from? Who gave you that information?
Logo okubhalwe la wakutshelwa ubani? Ukuthatha phi logo okubhalwe la?
Angibhala okunye ngengikhumbulayo kwakwenzeka.
I write what I'm able to recall.
Kwenzeka lenkinga le.
I'm writing that which I can recall, which happened, or what happened with regards to this incident.
Did anyone assist you in compiling those notes?
Ukhona yini umuntu okusizile noma oye wakulekelela ukubhala lokho?
Ngokwami.
It's my own.
No, but the question is, did anyone assist you?
Ngabe ukhona
Akekho
No one did.
ngiyazenzela nje mina.
I do it on my own.
Did anyone, or did any of the defense counsel here have had a look into the notes that which you have wrote, the one that you're talking about?
Ngabe ukhona yini umuntu noma ke abameli njengoba masikhuluma ngabameli ke sikhuluma ngaye ke ubaba umnisi ubaba eduze kwakhe nangale ukhona yini oye wathatha wabheka ukuthi kubhalweni la?
Okunye bengikhuluma nje bekuzwe akho ngeke ngathatha ngathi abakufundi.
No, they just listen to what I was saying, but you didn't take and read the documents.
So you maintain that that information that is contained in there is exclusively from your own personal experience on what you are here to testify about.
Uthi ke lokho kubhalwe lana yinto wena eyaziwa wena oyithathileke wabe usuyibhala phansi yiko lokho okhuluma ngako la enkantolo.
Hayi impela akukho konye ukuthi ngidibane nobani wangisiza.
It is exactly like that.
Mina ngibhale la ngibeka into eyayingifikela ngisebenza eyenzakala phambi kwami hayi ukuthi khona ongisiza.
Not that anyone assisted me. I took down or I wrote down that which happened or got to me at the time when I was working.
Thank you, Mr. Zongo. Now, you were... Sorry?
Mr. Court, please, the state is going to object that the witness should testify from his notes. As we indicated, a statement was obtained from the witness dated the 19th of November. And that statement serves as exhibit UU. There's no reason as to why this statement should not be used as the basis of this witness testimony. It's 17 November 2019 and serves as an exhibit before this court, my lord. If it was felt that there's a need to supplement the statement, then it should have been done so under oath. We therefore submit, my lord, that it is improper to come with notes that whose origin are unknown and testify therefrom, my lord.
Ikhona inkinga ngakucala ngakihlangothi ke lawo umbuso ukuthi ke wethuleke ubufakazi bakho ubhekabe noma ubuka wona ke ama notes la oshoyo ukuthi uyibhalele umbuso usuyasho ke futhi ukuthi sikhona ke istatement esiphambi kwale nkantolo istatement esenziwa uwena ke baba emaphoyiseni sange 17 ka November 2019 ngabo ke uma ngaku ukuthi ke ummeli officer akazi ukuthi kungani ummeli engasebenzisi leso statement ngoba sikhona istatement kodwa banenkinga ke beumbuso ukuthi ufakazi wethula ubufakazi bakho usebenzisa ama notes abathi bona abawazi ukuthi aqhamuka kuphi noma buya kuphi.
As the court pleases, my lord, my respectful submission will be a witness can refer to the notes or a statement that he made for the purposes of testimony for refreshing their memory. The proviso is the following, that he cannot go there and say, this is my statement, and read it from paragraph 1 to paragraph 22 and says that's it. That is not the purpose. And I'll refer the court briefly to this, my lord. If need be, I can supplement it tomorrow morning with brief heads of argument. But the use of notes has got the following conditions to it. One is for memory refreshing. Like I said, you cannot read the whole.
Yeah, look, I know the law.
Yes. And then two.
No. Just listen to me.
Yes.
When he wants to refresh his memory,
Yes.
he requests that from the court.
Yes. That's
That's
what
the point.
Mr. Munisi already
So,
said.
okay,
He
fine.
can ask from
Now
the
you've
court.
had- okay, you can proceed.
Okay, as the court pleases, ma'am.
As it is the court, my lord. Just to draw an analogy here, Brigadier Kininda also referred to the notes that he had from his diary. I think that is the same situation.
Can't be the same.
He was allowed to read them into record. That was not a
Kininda is an
statement, those were notes
investigating
from the
office.
diary.
Kininda is an investigating office.
There's no difference.
There's no difference, fine.
Yes, those notes do not
Yeah,
form
you have
part
to
of...
read that authority.
He should have put that information in his statement,
Yeah,
but
fine.
he decided not. He had to rely on his diary. And he specifically said no. And then the court allowed him to read those
Yes,
notes.
because every policeman in South Africa has got a diary. Every policeman.
That
if
which this
you didn't know.
Yes, my lord.
That's
But
it.
that which this
And that
witness-
diary
Yes,
can be used for evidential purposes because it is sanctioned
yes, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes.
by the law.
But I appreciate the fact
Sorry,
that...
okay, fine. Let's make progress. Do you want to
Yes,
still quote that thing?
Yes, we wanted to quote from Himstra Criminal Procedure, and it's from page 24 to 81.
What does him say?
The point in issue it's, or the heading is refreshing of the witness memory with the aid of a document. It says a witness may use a document to refresh his or her memory. This can be done even if the witness is not able to recall the events recorded in the document. Before this is done, however, the side leading the witness must see to it that the following three requirements have been satisfied. 1, the witness must have written the document him or herself, or order that it be composed, or have read it when the events were still fresh in his or her memory. Admissibility of the documents depends on the circumstances, but more than a week could have elapsed between the incident and the note made by the witness. On the other hand, an expert such as a scientist, engineer, architect, or accountant with a view to contemplated litigation may draw a report to use on the witness stand for refreshing his or her memory, even if it's not the original report or does not consist of the original notes made at the time of the investigation. The difference lies in evidence about facts of which the person has personal knowledge and expect evidence based on an investigation which was specially conducted for the case. 2, a witness who does not have the original and has to rely on a copy must be able to say that the copy is a true version of his or her memory. If the writing is a version of the memory at the time of such writing, the witness must be able to say that the written version is a correct version of his or her memory. Thirdly, my lord, and this is the point on which we were rising, the witness must be willing to hand over the document for inspection by the court and the opposing party. If the witness only wants to refer to a portion of the document, the rest of it can be withheld or pasted over as long as it's not relevant to the portion which is to be used. As Councillor just pointed out, my lord, Brigadier Gininda handed copies of his diary to the defense, and they peruse the diary. The state will be equally entitled to peruse the notes that the witness is referring to, my lord.
The Sinistra saying that.
Yes, it seems so.
Yes. Any response?
We don't have a problem, my lord. Probably the state is departing from the premise that there's something that we intend to hide. We don't intend to hide anything. Mr. Zongo, can you please make those papers available to the state?
Cela ke lamaphepha akadluliswa ngoba umbuso uyasho ukuthi nanjengoba bekwenzekile-ke ngesikhathi
Yeah.
sakhe uBrigadier Gininda idayari noma incwadi yakhe abhala kuyona-ke abamnyeli bayinikiwe bayibona banamakhophi. Manje kuyacela-ke ukuthi nabo umbuso nawo unelungelo-ke nanjengoba abameli nabo bebenikiwe incwadi kaGininda banamakhophi ukuthi na sicela lamaphepha bafise wabuka babobheka ukuthi kubhaliweni kona.
Ngabe phela kunjalo bengizofakaza lunga kahlali.
Sorry baba.
Makunjalo kawahlale la.
If
Ngoba
that
phela
is the case,
sokuyiqala ukuthi sengizofakaza manje.
if that is the case, let them remain here.
Lento
Now it's
ayikhulumi
wrong.
nangomuntu lo.
This does not refer to anyone.
So you're comfortable to proceed without looking at your papers?
Ngimisele-ke ukuthi ungaqhubeka ungawabukanga lawo maphepha lawo.
Ngizove ngiqhubeke kodwa kusasa ningangisoli mase kukhona okunye ningibuza ngakho.
I would proceed, but tomorrow then or the day thereafter, do not then accuse me about anything, or if there is something else that comes up or that you ask me about.
Thank you.
Ngizokuyeka futhi okunene.
I will leave the rest out.
Ngisho lokho bafese mayingafuna kafuni.
I will just say whatever. If
Hlukunyezwa
it's not taken,
ngamaphoyisa ngiphinde futhi ngihlukumezeke nala.
Sorry, maybe asizwane. Asimina engafuni umthetho. Mina hayi ngenza into yomthetho ithi ngiyenze. Baba ubaloyi. Ufunde incwadi
Ngilapha
yomthetho.
nje ngihlukumezwe ngamaphoyisa kahulumeni.
tortured by the police, even now I'm being tortured here or abused.
Lokho engazalwa sengibe nacala zengone futhi ngisho ama-record amahle. Kodwa-ke manje mase ngizala ngoba phela ngamaphoyisa kahulumeni anangifake kule nkinga.
Since birth, I've never had any brushes with the law, and it's the state police officers that put me here, that led me to being here.
Manje
Yes,
yilokho-ke
let's continue then.
yilokho-ke mina engikhuluma ngakho
That
ukuthi
is what
mabe
I'm speaking
ngafuni
about.
ukuthi ngenze lokho angiphikisile.
If it's not, if it's denied, then or it's not allowed that I do this, then I'm not against it.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Let us try.
Angayeke ngizokhuluma lokho nje sengikhulumile ngihlale phansi.
Let me leave it. I will just say whatever I've said and sit down.
Kodwa ngelanga bakhona abayongisiza.
But one day there are those who will be able to assist me or who will assist me.